Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO IdeaPad Duet, which is a Chromebook, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is press right here on this little time with download icons and notifications. So bring up several options with volumes and other stuff, but one of them is screen capture. Now, when you press on it, it actually gives you option to record your screen along with the screen capture, obviously. So I'm going to switch it to screen recording, and then I can select to either record a specific area of a screen, entire screen, or let's see, drag to select an area to record. We have here tap anywhere to record a full screen, and also select window to record, so you can record specific applications. So I'm going to go with the full screen right here. And from there, let's see, for some reason it's blinking with the settings. I can now record yourself. Yeah, no, not interested. So just press on the screen and it will start recording after 3 seconds. It gives you this pop-up right here, so whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded. Let me just open up something. So there we go. I guess that's good enough. So I'm gonna now stop it by pressing right over here. As you can see, this saves it. Let's close it up and navigate to our Photos application, where we should locate our, or should be able to locate our screen recording. I'm not going to be backing up anything. So here we have categories. We can go to a library, and in here we should have, let's see, that's odd. Where is it saving it? Is that it? Oh yeah, that is it. So apparently it's saved to downloads for some reason. Now that is quite odd. Usually it should be saved into something like a screenshot or screen recordings folder, but here, as you can see, it's going straight to downloads. So it looks like all your screen recordings will be located in the downloads folder. So that's where you can find it. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.